Welcome to Automated Data Migration Service that will help you switch business information between CRM solutions easily, accurate, and secure. In this video tutorial, we will show you how it works, step by step. Select the CRM platform type. Enter the CRM email and API key or other required credentials. Here, you can find some additional information. Select the CRM platform type. Here, you can find some additional information regarding the future CRM. Then, select items you'd like to migrate to the new CRM platform and perform user matching. By pressing View or Change the Field Mapping, you will open the window and see all auto-mapped fields and details. At the top of the page, you can see a list of modules on your source and target CRMs. Use Search option to find the required field faster. On the left side, you can see current CRM modules, and on the right, target CRM fields. Scroll to the bottom to map the fields that weren't auto-mapped only if you need it. On the left side, there are fields from your source CRM. On the right, target. Select modules you wish to match on both platforms. Fields that were already mapped are marked, but you can use them once more. Press Apply button. You can map as many fields as you need. When all is done, press Save Mapping button and close the mapping window. The migration process will take some time. It's not necessary to keep the window open. You can close it without data loss. You'll get a notification letter on your email. Check out the result. If it's satisfying, choose the insurance plan and start full migration. The service is trusted and recommended by top CRM vendors: HubSpot, Salesforce, Suite, Bitrix24, Capsule, Insightly, and others. You may start migration over. You will map modules and users mapping as it is needed, etc. So don't wait up and import your data to a new CRM platform